Foundations shift from a multiple of reasons. One, there's either too much water around the foundation itself, or there's a lack of water around the foundation itself. Massive trees too close to the property will cause a house to shift because those tree roots go underneath the property and pull moisture from it. And as the clay soil is like gumbo and bonds to everything, what happens is once that soil and those tree roots pull, it pulls the foundation with it. To help prevent houses from shifting and settling is, oddly enough, is to water your foundation. We like to recommend soaker hoses that you put approximately 8 to 10 inches away from the house itself. You do not want it up on the foundation. You don't want to add the water too fast to the foundation and cause a flood. You want it 8 to 10 inches away, and you want it on a soaker hose because you want to gradually add water to let that soil expand and then close those gaps that are created next to the house. You want those gaps closed because what happens is the heat over time continues to follow the cracks that are created, and that's what pulls the soil away from the foundation and causes the settling. So watering your foundation is a preventative maintenance. If you have a settling house or a shifting house, installing concentrically loaded piers underneath the house or helical piers underneath the house to support it where it is to prevent it from shifting any further. With those methods, you could either recover the area that is settled, or you can support it where it is so it doesn't get any worse. The biggest thing that runs into it is when you buy a new house, you don't know how the other people maintained it. So if you have negative drainage to your house and you add all that soil and everything else, you're doing what you're supposed to. But you're also removing all of that water from the soil that is expanded as max as it could. So that's going to shrink. So when you're doing that to a newer house for you, you might have to do the grading and the soaker hose at the same time, oddly enough.